Hello again, basketball fans. I'm Rick Hamlet for NBA TV, here to review what happened down in San Antonio on Tuesday night. Game 4 of the Western Conference Finals. L.A. came in leading 2-1, but Kobe Bryant and the Lakers lost Game 3 because Manu Ginobili erupted for 30. San Antonio looking for their second straight win to even this series. Kobe Bryant says, "I'm not having that." He puts L.A. up 20-8. Kobe had another big game. So did Tim Duncan. 29 points, 17 rebounds, and a bunch of other goodies I don't have time to tell you about right now because the Lakers led by 5 at the end of 1. Vladimir Radmanovic had 11 in the game. He puts L.A. up 8 in the second quarter. Tony Parker, 15 of his 23 in the first half. That's not good news. Only 8 in the second, but that and one was great news. Ties the game at 43. San An in this thing. And then Luke Walton in the post and one. I heard a tweet, get Luke to the line. Foul on Manu Ginobili at the half. L.A. led 53-47. Brent Barry used to play in L.A. for the Clippers. He had 23 points, and he was the story for San Antonio. Brings the Spurs within 4. Tim Duncan, mash. He brings the Spurs within 2. And we had a ball game at the AT&T Center. Now, Lamar Odom, the rebound. Kobe Bryant, the double clutch reverse jam. Shades of winning the slam dunk contest a million years ago. L.A. by 2. And then Sasha Vujicic. And the foul, a 4-point play for Sabu. And L.A. led 77-70 at the end of 3. Brent Barry, 5 of 12 from three-point range, hits another one. San Antonio within 2. Kobe Bryant then. The answer, the pass from Lamar Odom. Bowen late, getting around the Torrey screen. Kobe makes him pay. 81-77 L.A. Watch Lamar Odom right here. Finger rolling it past Fabricio Oberto. Odom had 16 points, 9 rebounds, L.A. by 7. Kobe Bryant now. You like that dunk before? You're going to like this one too. Oh, he throws it down viciously. 28-10 for Kobe. And L.A. up 9. But the Spurs not going out like that. Manu Ginobili under a minute to go. We got a 4-point game. And then Kobe Bryant should be running clock here. Goes up for the mysterious layup and misses. And Tim Duncan outlets to Tony Parker. And Tony Parker is denied by Lamar Odom, but it was called a goaltend. A good call there. Now we got a 2-point game. And the shot clock running down. Kobe Bryant trying to ice this thing, but he misses. Duncan, the rebound, they call timeout. And then Brent Barry for the win. It won't go. That 3 right there would have won the game and tied the series. Derek Fisher all over Brent Barry. And Barry, who was so huge for the Spurs throughout the game, begging and pleading for a call at the end of the game. A loss for the defending champion San Antonio Spurs on their home court. 93-91. Huge win for the Los Angeles Lakers. Obviously, it's the first home loss of these playoffs for the San Antonio Spurs, and the Los Angeles Lakers continue to get huge road wins. They win games 3 and 4 in Denver. They won game 6 in Utah to close out the Jazz, and they win game 4 in San Antonio to put the Spurs, the defending champions, on the brink of elimination. 3 Spurs with 20+. Kobe Bryant leads the way for the Lakers with 28 points on 14 of 29 from the floor. What a game it was at the AT&T Center. The Lakers 1 win away from making it to the NBA Finals for the first time since 2004. When Shaq was still on the team. We look forward to game number 5 coming up in L.A. on Thursday night. That's the recap of game 4 in San Antonio. Thanks for joining us, everybody.